gorgeous people, and welcome back to Life Without a Manual. Today we are going to jump in with 2 feet and we're going to get straight in and get it done. As you can see, this is in my old house, so I did record some of this cricket that I was doing for some labelling for the new house on some new little tubs that I got for some fruit. So I just wanted to show you how I got that done. We've got a lot of things in today's video. We've also got a special treat at the end where Andrew is talking about the new build and what we're going to be doing to the house up on the top floor. So some really exciting stuff coming, and I can't wait to show you all. It's just going to be a journey, and it's going to be one of them things where we take this journey together. It's going to be new for me, having extensions done, and you know, I've heard from a lot of people how it can be messy, it can be a great experience, and for someone, I suffer with really bad anxiety when it comes to mess and dirt, so I am worried about it, but I'm also really excited at the same time. So I can't wait for you to come along on that journey with me.
There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything 'cause you're
I'm not quite sure if it's because I've got the camera on me, but through my head right now, all I'm thinking of is, have I spelled the words right? And have I put them on straight? They're the only things that are going through my mind right now. It is definitely because the camera's on me, but I am always worried about spelling mistakes and getting things on straight, because I know that if I start ripping things off, it's just going to look terrible. So I'm so glad these came out great. I just had seen so many other YouTubers had done this, and it really does look amazing. Also, real life mum alert, I suffer with alopecia, so you will see that I've got my hair extensions in. So I have them put in and maintained every 6 weeks because I've lost a lot of hair. I don't know why, it's just something I've always suffered with. But as I've got my hair tied up, I can clearly see where I've gone from blonde to brown, and I haven't had my maintenance done yet, so they've not changed the pins. And I've got these blonde pins showing at the back of my head, so I do apologise for that, but you know, this is just the way we're rolling today. you'll see another thing I made with my Cricut, and that was just a little laundry room frame, and I put it like, I stuck some stickers on a white background and put it on a frame, and it came out really well. I'm gonna have a utility room in the front of the house once it's all finished, so I got it for that. I think I was a bit bored, and I just wanted to see if I could make it. I watch LG Queen, I think her name is LG Queen Home and Decor. I'll put her link in the description box below, but she is amazing, and I get most of my ideas from her. She recently done a utility room transformation. Actually, I think it might have been about a year ago. I'll put it in the description box below. And it was amazing, and she had these 64-ounce jars, and they're just a perfect size to have on the side, you know, to put all of your well, I use Methods. Here I'm putting in my Vanish, I use white vinegar, my Boost balls, and they just look amazing sitting on the side. You'll see all the pretty colours at the end. I think I'm obsessed with pretty colours. I just absolutely love all the purples and the blues and the whites, and it just looks amazing. I do need to get my label maker back out though, my Cricut, and start doing some labels for these jars, because I have not yet got that done. But they did come out absolutely amazing, and I hope I inspire some of you to do something like this, or if you have done something like this, let me know and comment me down below, because I'd love to know your ideas for my new utility room. I get inspired so much with other people and what they do to their utility room, and this just come out absolutely amazing. And you know, as always, please send me your pictures of your utility room, and so I can get inspired by some of yours.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes.
Okay, pre-warning alert, I am going to spill a lot of stuff in this next clip, and I had a major argument with this bag. I did manage to save majority of it, but it did go horribly wrong, so I'm just pre-warning you before it happens.
Let it go. The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no.
Daddy, you've already got our merch on. I'm really proud of you. Right, what have you done today?
So we ripped the wardrobes out, taking the skirting off, taking the carpet up, just see what we've got. We took a floorboard up earlier just to have a look underneath for rewiring. Seems pretty straightforward to sort out. So this ceiling's got to come down, this ceiling's got to come down, all the plasterboard's got to come off of the walls on the external because it's timber built and it's only got quilted insulation in it, so it's going to need Celotex, which is a much better insulation because in the summer it will be too hot up here and in the winter it will be too cold. So once it's insulated properly it will be a lot better and livable. And we've got a loft space in there that we're going to sort out and use better. We've got to take these wardrobes out.
Will it be easy to take them out?
Yeah, they're big easy enough to take out, just normal wardrobes. And then whether your dressing table goes there or whether you put new wardrobes back in on that side, or... Because
we were contemplating putting the wardrobes along here instead of the bed. But now what I think we're going to do is we're going to move that loft hatch hole along, am I right?
Put it to one side and then put the bed against that. It's got a light switch in there.
See, it's quite big.
Got quite a bit of storage in there.
Got quite a bit. Obviously, it needs just tidying up a bit, but Christmas tree, stuff like that. So, the work has begun.
Sure.
So, have we decided where we're going to have the bed yet, or are we still just?
I still think there because, well, you know, whether the wardrobes come down here or not, I don't know. Just think that the bed's away under here. We haven't got a.
Yeah.
We've got more room out
got
here.
more room.
The wardrobe's going on that wall.
Yeah. No, I think you're right. The only thing you've got to do then is move that hole along.
Yeah.
Unless the bed was on wheels.
What I can do too, I can take that out and put a door there, take that out, put a door there, so you haven't got to climb over everything to get to anything, so you'll have two doors either side behind the side tables, and then, you know, you can go in either end, you haven't got to put it all at one end, and if you need something right over the back, you've got to climb over it all.
Yeah.
And I reckon your dressing table will go in that little alcove when them wardrobes come out, so it goes back that far.
Just saying about the stairs, what I was saying about the other day. Now I've looked it up, and you can't get them stairs anymore. They don't do them in properties anymore. I mean, how dangerous are them stairs to have?
Well, they're not really dangerous. It's just you just got to be sensible on them, really.
Yeah, just worried about Chloe and the dog, really, with the.
Well, you could just put carpet on them.
Yeah.
You know, but.
We're going to get someone out to have a look at them, aren't we?
Changing it, yeah, because I need to put handrails up so if Chloe comes up here and that.
So
make it safe for her.
This is so far. So far we've got the carpet up, wardrobe's gone, and the next will be ceilings down. I'm going to end the vlog there, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.